Welcome back, students. From this video we will start algebra and linear algebra. Okay, in linear algebra basically we study everything on matrix also. Okay, so algebra mein firstly I will tell you the properties of matrices that you have, and after that we will start linear algebra. In that we will study vector space. Okay, and some different types of properties on matrices. For example, rank of a matrix, how we calculate, nullity of a matrix, how we do, linear transformation को one on to show करना by the help of matrices. That thing we will learn there. But before that I will tell you some basic things about the matrix, and after that we will start our linear algebra. Okay, firstly I am telling about some particular matrices. सबसे पहले तो देखो what is matrix. Matrix means row wise or rectangular or square representation of what elements. What are the elements? Elements are some numbers या कुछ अल्फाबेट्स भी हो सकते हैं. तो रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगी किसकी? रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ नंबर्स या फिर अल्फाबेट्स की इन रो एंड column form. This is your matrix. All right, now I will not discuss the different types of matrices individually. I will just tell the name. Rectangular matrices जिसमें रो और कॉलम सेम ना हो, ठीक है. स्क्वायर मैट्रिसेस जिसमें रो और कॉलम सेम हो, यूनिट मैट्रिक्स आ जाती है, स्केलर मैट्रिक्स आ जाती है, आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स आ जाती है, एंड देन यू हैव जीरो मैट्रिक्स. देयर आर different types of matrix. Okay, now what I will discuss firstly some particular type of matrices. First matrix that I will discuss here is our idempotent matrix. Okay, in idempotent matrix what you have, see, this idempotent property of a matrix is only for the square matrix. Rectangular it will not work. I will show why it will not work. Okay, now idempotent matrix, let A be any matrix of order and it is square matrix. तो order n का मतलब है n cross n you have. All right, so idempotent means, what is the meaning of this idempotent? Idempotent, if A is idempotent, तो A का square, if you multiply A by itself 2 times, you will get A square. Okay, if it is not a rectangular matrix, तो sometimes it is possible कि matrix multiplication is not possible. Okay, तो here A square is equal to A. Now example के लिए A matrix I am taking 4 minus 1 12 minus 3. When you calculate A square, now you will again get 4 12 minus 1 minus 3. I am not calculating A square here, but from here you can calculate and you will find कि A square is equal to A. So this matrix is your idempotent matrix. Now we will talk about the property of this idempotent matrix, कि इस matrix की क्या क्या property होती है, what is the rank of this matrix, what will be the nullity of this matrix, that thing we will discuss. Okay, now first thing है, if A square is equal to A is equal to A square is equal to A, तो A square minus A is equal to 0. I can write it as A dot A minus A times I is equal to 0, है ना. This is the scalar matrix. If I multiply by this identity matrix, again it will be matrix A. There will be no problem. So from here देखो, now I will take out this A common. Okay, अगर A यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पोजिशन वाला ले रहे हो तो फ्रॉम द सेकेंड टर्म ऑल्सो यू नीड टू टेक कॉमन द फर्स्ट A. Why it is happening here? Because of the property that कि commutative property always does not hold, है ना. In matrix case always commutative property does not hold. Sometimes it will hold and sometimes it will not. Okay, and in arbitrary matrix we can't say without seeing the matrix ki whether here commutative property will hold or not. Okay, तो in general case I am doing this. It is possible कि जिस मैट्रिक्स को लेके आप ये सारी प्रॉपर्टी चेक करो, इन दैट केस कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड्स, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. बट इफ इट इज नॉट होल्डिंग देन आई एम डूइंग दैट केस. तो टेक आउट ए कॉमन, a minus identity is equal to 0. Now when this is possible if either a is equal to 0 or either a is equal to identity. So from here what can you conclude about the eigenvalues of a? Eigenvalues of 0 matrix is 0 and eigenvalues of identity matrix is always 1. So what can I predict from there? I can predict ki eigenvalues of a is either 0 or 1. It can be कि in some matrix both are there. ठीक है, किसी मैट्रिक्स में दोनों हो, किसी मैट्रिक्स में सिर्फ 0 होगी, एंड इन सम मैट्रिक्स ओनली 1 विल बी देयर. बट no 2, no 3, any number except these two numbers can never be the eigenvalue of an idempotent matrix. All right, now next thing is I am erasing this portion. What is second thing? Eigenvalues I told you. Now what is the trace? Now in both cases we will discuss the trace and determinant of this matrix. Now let if A is equal to 0 matrix, that is 0 matrix. अब 0 matrix के केस में rank of A it will be 0, right? A is a matrix of order n. If rank of A is 0, then rank plus nullity of any matrix is equal to the dimension of its domain. मतलब इसके इक्वल होगा rank of A plus nullity of A is will be equal to this n. If rank is 0, तो here nullity will be n. Now what is trace? Trace means sum of all eigen values. सभी eigen values का sum is your trace, right? Now here if A is 0 matrix, then all eigen values will be 0. If all eigen values of A is 0, तो 0 plus up to so on n times 0, it will give you always 0. तो trace क्या हुआ? 0 हुआ. Now what is the determinant of this matrix A? Determinant means product of all eigenvalues. Determinant means product of all eigenvalues. If all of its eigenvalues are 0, then product will also be 0. Done. तो यहाँ से determinant पता लग गया, यहाँ से आपको trace पता लग गया. It is done. Now third property, if A is equal to identity matrix of order n. In beginning मैंने बोला था हम n A को कितने ऑर्डर की मैट्रिक्स ले रहे हैं? n ऑर्डर के. All right. If A is of identity matrix, then all eigenvalues are 1. 1 है ना? n times it will be 1. Now trace of this A, sum of all eigenvalues, that means 1 plus 1 up to so on 1. How many times? Order of the matrix is n, so it will come n times. 1 को when you add n times, your sum will be n. If A is identity matrix, if A is of order n and if it is idempotent and is identity matrix, so its trace will be this. Now determinant of A, 1 multiply by 1 up to so on multiply by 1, always 1. So determinant is 1 and trace will be your n. All right. Now characteristic polynomial. Characteristic polynomial of this A matrix will be, fourth property है characteristic polynomial C of AX. Characteristic polynomial कहाँ से generate होती है? When you find out the eigen values, that quadratic or cubic polynomial, or here matrix is of order n, so n degree polynomial you will have. तो वहाँ पे आपकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पॉलिनोमियल क्या होगी, जो भी उसके मैट्रिक्स के डिटर्मिनेंट को सॉल्व करके, लाइक a minus lambda times I. When you solve this portion, the equation that you obtain, that is called characteristic polynomial. तो यहाँ पे if a is your this, your characteristic polynomial will be x minus identity 1 is equal to 0. This is your characteristic polynomial. Now minimal polynomial, lowest degree polynomial containing all factors of matrix A, and it annihilates the characteristic polynomial. Minimal polynomial is that polynomial, ठीक है, जिसके पास सभी, it contains all eigenvalues of the matrix A and it will divide any polynomial generated from this matrix A. For example, it will divide, minimal polynomial divide characteristic polynomial always. Okay, and here minimal polynomial of this matrix A, it will contain all of its factors. So here this one and here this one. अगर यहाँ पे मान लो x की 2 होता and if here it is x की 3, तो at that time it minimal polynomial have 3 choices. First one कि इसने polynomial ने, this polynomial will annihilate this matrix. Okay, the polynomial which contain all the factors of this matrix A and annihilates A, that is called minimal polynomial. तो यहाँ पे it have 3 possibilities. First one is this, if this one don't annihilate, then we take square. If this one again don't, so we take cube. Okay, so this is your minimal polynomial.